Hello everyone, this is Hakim, the owner of Just Simple English account on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. Well, from today, I will start my lessons about 12 tenses. I will try to teach in a very easy way, and I hope these lessons will be useful for your English. Welcome! So today our lesson is about present simple to be, presented by Hakim. Well, what is to be and when we use to be? We use present simple to be when there are no actions in the sentences. We use it to tell the name, time, places, quality, and quantity of the things or people. Remember, no actions. Well, to be has three forms in present: am, is, are. And we use in this structure with subjects. I am, he is, she is, it is, you are, we are, they are. And always you have to remember the structure of sentences. The sentence has three types of structure, like positive, negative, and question. And I made some word order, and you have to remember this word order. And after learning this structure, you will make any sentence without any mistake. Well, positive sentence structure. Subject comes first, plus am is are, and plus noun, adjective, or time, according to the meaning. Well, let's see some examples. I am a student, it's noun. You are beautiful. Beautiful is adjective. He is my friend. Pronoun plus noun. She is a pretty baby. Adjective here and noun. It is 9 o'clock. It's telling the time. We are in London. It is telling the place, and they are on time. It's telling the adverb. Well, negative sentence structure is subject plus am is are plus not plus noun. It gives the negative meaning to the sentence. I am not a student. You are. This is noun. You are not beautiful. It's telling the adjective. He is not my friend. It's telling about pronoun plus noun. She is not a pretty baby. It's telling adjective plus noun. It's not 9 o'clock. Telling the time. We are not in London. Telling the place. They are not very kind. Telling the adjective. Well, question form. Question form is in question. Every time we put the helping verb, like to be, am is are, before subject. Like am is are plus subject plus noun, or adjective, or adverb, or place, or time. Anything can came except actions. Well, let's see some examples. Am I a student? Asking about noun. Are you hungry? Asking about adjective. Is he in London? Asking about place. Is she a pretty baby? Asking about adjective plus noun. Is it 9 o'clock? Asking about time. Are we late for class? Asking about adverb. Are they very kind? Asking about adjective. I hope you understand. Well, the short form of positive and negative structure with to be is like this. I am, you are, your, he is, his, she is, she's, it is, its, we are, we're, they are, their. A negative sentence, I'm not, you are not, you aren't, he is not, he isn't, she is not, she isn't, it's not, it isn't, we are not, we aren't, they are not, they aren't. We use the short forms in our speech many times, but not sometimes, almost every time, to speak a little faster. It's okay, both of the forms are the same meaning, so you can use both of them. Well, let's see some examples. For example, I'm a boy, I'm not a girl, you are nobody, you aren't my friend, he's a student, he isn't a teacher, she's a rich woman, she isn't poor, it's my car, it isn't yours, we are at home, we aren't in the city, they are on time, they aren't late. Well, here are some collocations with to be. And actually, there are many collocations. If you want to learn more, you can search Google, like write Google collocations with to be, and it will show you the kind of list full of with the collocation with to be, and you can learn from them and use them in your speech. Well, to be good at something. For example, I am good at playing football. Like I do well football. To be famous for is kind of very like actor or actress. For example, you are famous for singing rap songs. I am famous for teaching English. To be hungry means I want to eat something. I'm very hungry. Like we are really hungry now. To be afraid of, to be kind of scary, doing something or something. For example, she isn't afraid of dogs. I am afraid of snakes. To be active means to be kind of smart in class, to try more than others. My friend is very active in the class. And to be in trouble means to have a problem with something. For example, I am in trouble with math. Wow, me too. To be in a hurry. Okay, to be in a hurry means we don't have many time, so we have to be fast. They are in a hurry for work. To be ready is just ready. I'm ready for the lesson. I have all my stuff. To be late for is going very slowly, acting very slowly, and not to be on time. You are late for the meeting. And the last one is to be in love with. To be in love is to have kind of relationship with somebody. For example, he is in love with Maria. And here is some self-introduction exercise. You can put the words here and you can talk about yourself. For example, I will make my sentence. My name is Hakim. I am from, my country is Uzbekistan. I am your age. I am 26 years old. I am a student. If you are a worker, you can say, I'm a worker. or I'm a doctor, or I'm an engineer, and I am good at some activity, like I'm good at English, I'm good at Korean, or I'm good at football. My hobby is activity or hobby. My hobby is teaching English and teaching Korean, or doing some videos for TikTok and Instagram. My lovely colors are, you have to tell 2 or 3 colors. For example, my lovely colors are white, green, and orange. Well, animal name are my favorite animals. You can say, for example, cats are my favorite animals, or dogs are my favorite animals. But I am afraid of, for me, I'm afraid of snakes. We are number of people in my family. Well, we are 6 people in my family. My parents are really kind people. Any adjective, my parents are really outgoing or easygoing or trustworthy. But any good adjectives you can use. They are in city name now. They are in Uzbekistan. They are in Fergana now. I love them so much. We are a happy family, or we are a close-knit family. I hope you understand this task. And exercise time. Fill the sentence with am, is, are. Well, here are 10 sentences, and you have to fill the blanks with am, is, are. And you can check the answers in the last lesson. So just learn the grammar first and do this exercise in the end and write down, and you can check it in the last lesson. Thank you so much for your attention. Okay, my first video lesson will be useful for everyone, I hope. So this is my address on Instagram and on TikTok. Bye.